Number 1. C language. C is one of the most widely used programming languages, and the syntax of Java and C# is derived from it. Its efficient design construct uses machine instructions, and therefore applications that had formerly been coded in assembly language could be run on C compiler. C has facilities for structured programming and allows lexical variable scope and recursion, and C compilers work seamlessly with majority of available computer architectures and operating systems. Number 2. Visual Basic. This is an event-driven programming language that is implemented on Microsoft's .NET framework. Released in 1991, the developers intend Visual Basic to be relatively easy to learn and use. The programming language enables the development of graphical user interface GUI applications, access to databases, remote data objects, and creation of ActiveX controls and objects. Number 3. C++. It is a general-purpose multi-paradigm spanning compiled language that has both high-level and low-level language features. The programming language has proved itself really powerful with applications including domains related to software, server and client and entertainment. Firefox, Winamp and most of the Adobe programs are coded on C++. Number 4. JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented scripting language that is smaller than Java. Being a client-side language, it runs in the web browser on the client side with a simplified set of commands, easier code and no need for compilation. Number 5. Objective-C. It is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language that adds small talk-style messaging to the C programming language. The language is now mostly used in Apple iOS and Mac OS X and is of great demand. Number 6. SQL. SQL is the world's most widely used open-source relational database management system that runs as a server providing multi-user access to a number of databases. The scope of SQL includes data insert, query, update and delete, modification and data access control. Number 7. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for web development but also used as a general-purpose programming language. High-speed scripting with caching, augmented compiling code plugins is what makes the future of the language. High-profile sites including Facebook, Wikipedia and WordPress run on PHP. Number 8. Python. With less complex codes, Python can be easily learned by a beginner. This particular language is used in writing scripts for websites and mobile apps. Some of the web apps and internet platforms that use Python include Instagram, Pinterest, Google, Yahoo, and NASA. Number 9. HTML/CSS. HTML hypertext markup language is a markup language for structuring and presenting content for the World Wide Web and is the core technology of the Internet. HTML elements form the building blocks of all websites. Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation semantics of a document written in the markup language. With tablets, smartphones, and cloud-hosted services becoming widespread, the importance of the web grows along with it. Number 10. Java. Java is purely an object-oriented programming language. It is intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere, making the program to run on other platforms without recompilation. Being used as a standard for enterprise software, web-based content, games, mobile apps, and Android operating system, the demand for Java programming language has increased in leaps and bounds.